Okay, this is one time through, really slow, and yeah, and the rest you can figure out when you get sweet, 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 gentle tap, gentle tap, gentle, 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 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, hold 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, flat, twist slow, 9, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 4, 5, 6, triple, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and let's go faster. 11, 12, 13, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 4, 5, 6, ready again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, push 12, 13, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 4, 5, 6, triple, 4, 5, and 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 4. And those are the basics. Yeah, make sure you mark time, 18 angles, 12 is flat, and then there's parts where you do a little dance move, but that's really hard to show you at the camera. So come talk to one of the leaders or someone who's been on that one, so Amber or something. We'll help you. Alright, good luck, and good job JV on your performance. That was awesome. I'm so proud of you.